everyone, it's Donna Fiore, your All-American Realtor. I'm here at my newest listing here in Bramble Bluff in Waterford Lakes community. This 3-2 has been completely remodeled and you're gonna love it. Let's go check it out. Have you been wanting a fully remodeled 3-bedroom, 2-bath home nestled in a charming established neighborhood? This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home offers the perfect blend of comfort and convenience. Located in the Bramble Bluff village of Waterford Lakes, you will enjoy the more recent updated floors, replace the HVAC in 2022 and replumb the entire home in 2021. The kitchen features white cabinets, granite countertops, stainless appliances, and plenty of counter space with an eat-in kitchen. This split bedroom design showcases the primary bedroom with direct access to enjoy the Florida weather through the sliding glass doors. The main bathroom has been completely updated with a walk-in shower, granite vanity, and stylish flooring. The secondary bedrooms are situated in the opposite wing with hall access bathroom between them. Residents of the community are able to enjoy the Waterford Lakes Recreation Center. It covers an area of over 20 acres. This park is suitable for walking and family activities and features many sports facilities such as soccer, basketball, tennis, baseball, and swimming pools. In addition to its natural scenery, this park also has a playground, lighted walking trails, and a dog park, making it perfect for enjoying outdoor activities. This prime location is just minutes from shopping, popular restaurants, entertainment options, and highway access, and commutes are smooth to downtown Orlando, the University of Central Florida, the beaches, International Airport, theme parks. Have you been looking for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home that's fully updated in an established neighborhood near parks, shopping, and entertainment? I've got it for you. Give me a call, Donna Fiore, your All-American Realtor. I'm with eXp Realty, the Home Squad.